Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach a lesson, that is chapter 2, component of food. Do you know what are different component of food? The carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, roughes, that is fibrous material. These are the different component of food. So you know the meaning of the different component of food. They have different function. If you take carbohydrate provide instant source of energy, means that will provide only energy. Protein, it is responsible for maintenance and growth of our body, repair the different body parts. If there is a wound, then healing done by this protein. Next component of food is fat. Fat, you can say it is lipid or oil. It is also a source of energy, but it provides larger energy than carbohydrate. Next component, that is vitamins. If we say the vitamins, that there are two categories. One is fat soluble vitamin and one is water soluble vitamin. So different vitamins that are required in a less quantity, but it provides immunity to our body. It provides immunity to our body. So the next component, that is the minerals. You know, vitamins and minerals we are getting from fruit, different fruits and different vegetable. You know, source of vitamin is mainly the fruit. If anybody asks, what is the source of vitamin C? What is the source of vitamin C? Then you can say the source of vitamin C is lemon, orange. You can say the fruit that contain ascorbic acid is the source of vitamin. Then we can say the source of minerals like iron. We get the iron mainly from the fruit like apple and vegetable, that is leafy vegetable like spinach. Now other component of the food, that is dietary fiber. A dietary fiber, it is not provide any nutrient, it has no nutritive value, but it helps in digestion as well as cleaning of our intestine. You know, fibrous material, it is cellulose. The cellulose present in our different food items is the source of dietary fiber. Next component, that is water. You know, water or universal solvent that solubilize most of the reagent, most of the different component of the food, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins. So that if we take that food along with water, that food nutrient absorbed by our body through alimentary canal up to blood. So in the bulk quantity, generally we are taking a carbohydrate. If you see the pie chart of the different of a food, then the major quantity is carbohydrate. So we need energy for our muscular work and for mental work. You know, the glucose is the food of our brain. It cannot replace by protein, fat, vitamins, roughness. So they need of huge quantity of carbohydrate for getting quick source of energy, means instant source of energy. Now the protein, it is the also larger component in the pie chart. It required in huge quantity for growth and development of any living organism, whether it is human, animals, plant or insect. If it is going to develop from a smaller size to a young individual, whatever the change we see or we observe, that is to increase in dry mass, that is increase in protein content of any individuals. So growth, that is the increase in shape, size, height, is due to increase the content of protein. Next, if our body